Oh, well, I'm pretty sure you guys have caught this massive uh, sell off here that just happened out of nowhere. Here, I was literally, watching the chart here for Bitcoin on the 5 minute. Um, I mean, you could pretty much tell it looks pretty disgusting. Don't know what happened exactly. You might have some kind of idea, maybe stop loss triggers, maybe someone knows something and they just decided to get out because something is coming where we would probably see a massive sell off and possibly filling down the gaps back to uh maybe 41,000, maybe below that. And we are, we're holding off I mean, pretty much at this level. But who's to say, like, if this is actually a sign of more things to come, more pullbacks? But if it bounces, then maybe it was a stop loss trigger or whatever. But it's just it's just speculating. But anyways, um, yeah, there's a little pushback there, little buyback action. Um, but with that being said, since I'm already on the topic of Bitcoin, and once again, thank you for joining me in this video. Just a quick, um, short and sweet little update on what's happening with Bitcoin. Well, as you can see now, you're witnessing what's happening, and indeed, if it's holding off around this level of support, could it become the new resistance and start falling more down, filling the gaps, probably back to 42,000? Who knows? But if that's the case, then we could be seeing some action um, um, with the miners. Mara, Riot, BTCM, Annie, 3D Sphere, Clean Spark, Wolf. We could go to Mara, for example, and I had this chart here for a while. Um, it's not accurate, I know, but it was just a guesstimate. So just ignore this, and I just want you to be able to see from my point of view what had this become, which is indeed much of like a inverse head and shoulders here, and it kind of did fulfill that. But now that we're seeing this type of action for Bitcoin, I I would want to say, the least, that this is just a temporary sell off, and that someone is trying to buy back everything back to the resistances here at 44,000. But let's say if that wasn't the case and we were to continue going down that path and filling down the gaps here at 42,400, then we could see this miners start to turn back around, as you can see here, to be consolidating in this range, and perhaps we would be able to see a retest in this zone around maybe 25, or worst case scenario we would probably see 24, and that would be the bearish case scenario. um Bullish case scenario, let's say if we see this bounce right back where it was and then start to retest new highs on the day tomorrow, then we can regain uh this. Let's see, maybe just maybe we can probably hit right around this area between $28, 28.50. And if it continues, then we can definitely reach back over here to $29 by the end of the day tomorrow. If this uh, if this action does persist and we reach back to where we came from from this huge little action here, this little sell off. Um, but yeah, so with that being said, do keep in mind Bitcoin is volatile as hell. Um, you can see it in real time. You just see it here, and let's see what the 4 minutes looking like. Yeah, I mean that's crazy. It's been just how it just tested the resistance area here, rejected and a huge sell off here, and we almost like broke to two levels of supports here, and we came back here to trade right above this area. So I don't know. I don't know. It's a it's a little nerve wracking to say the least, but perhaps we can see a little bear flag, and then maybe reject and start seeing another sell off. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe this would be the two scenarios. So just do keep in watch if you're into crypto and miners, um, and give yourself the time. As always, don't go running, being greedy, and do ODTs without knowing how to take proper risks and not have proper risk management. So yeah, and that's of course not financial advice. Anything that was said in this video is just strictly my opinion. And with that being said, uh, I'll see you in the next video. This is Line of All Trades. Take care and see you in the next. Oh, look at that. Wait a minute. Wait. Yeah. Just be careful. All right. Just play be safe. Cause this is ridiculous. Who knows what the hell is happening right now. But anyways, we'll see you in the next video. Take care.